Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tutor Aki, and today we are going to talk how to pass Nclex on your first attempt. One of the tips is making sure you understand the core nursing concept material, like making sure you understand all the courses, the materials, what is being taught in the course and in the class. Another tip is doing 75 practice questions daily. Read all rationales and write notes. This will help you to understand the materials better and identify your weak areas, and also help you to lessen exam anxiety and manage your time better. Another tip is identifying and focus on your weak areas. For example, my weak areas was mental health. I spent a lot of time studying mental health, and since I finished mental health classes, I kept every day doing 25 questions of mental health, even if we already covered the course. I kept every day doing 25 questions until I did my Nclex. Another tip is practicing on prioritization. Prioritization is a must. This is where you will see a lot of questions, and even in the real world, this is the knowledge that you will apply in our bedside or whatever you're going to do. Also, practicing critical thinking. Sometimes they will give you question like a scenario, like a patient came to ED with these signs and symptoms. So you have to have a critical thinking to make sure you identify what is going on. Also, create your own mnemonics on procedure questions, such as inserting Foley catheters. Sometimes you meet questions that it needs, like you have to do step by step. Creating your own mnemonics will help you to remember without missing a step. Also, practice how to answer select all that apply questions. Sometimes it's hard. You can pick the 2 questions right, and then the other question is you miss by 1 question. So doing a lot of practice will help you pick the correct answers. Also, managing your anxiety, making sure you stay calm during exam, being confident and believing what you have studied is enough. Avoid changing answers. You make sure you don't go back and change your answers. Most of the time you change the correct answers. Let's now talk about some of the resources that help me to prepare for my Nclex. I purchased UWorld like a month before I did my Nclex. Every day I was doing 75 questions and making sure I read all the rationales and make notes. I was not concentrating on if I got the answer wrong or right. The main thing was understanding the materials, understanding how what the question is asking, and usually UWorld mirrors exactly what is like, it's not exact questions what is in the Nclex, but the pattern. Also, I used Saunders. This is what I used throughout the nursing program. And Saunders, when you purchase it when it's new, they have like online version where you can go and do the practice questions. I used ATI. I really like ATI questions because it's different. It's hard. Like ATI, when you score like 80 and above, it means you really understand the materials. Also, I use YouTube most of the time for like understanding the concept and materials. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, subscribe and share with your friends.